In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can edit password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to tap on Google. Then choose All Services, scroll down to click on Autofill with Google, and tap on Google Password Manager. Now it's time to select one of your passwords you wish to edit. Enter your login method and click on Edit button. Then change wherever you want to, and when you finish, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!